everybody, it's time for Art Factory. I'm your host, Miss Marissa. It's our last Art Factory of January. We've had lots of fun making some kites, making some penguins, and other fun stuff. So I can't wait to finish out January with you today. Someone else who's looking forward to our last Art Factory of January is Noe, the New Year's bird. Hey, Noe. You're looking forward to art today? Me too, and so are our friends. Noe, I was inspired by your flower for our Art Factory today. Are we making a flower? No, but we are making something that flutters around the garden. That's right, a butterfly. I think it's gonna look super great. We're gonna need some unusual supplies today. You might see them on my table already. We're gonna need a coffee filter, a pipe cleaner, some washable markers, and just a little bit of water. I decided to use a paintbrush and some water in a nice mug, but you could use a spray bottle of water too. Let's see how it's made. First, you're going to take your coffee filter and flatten it out on the table. Then, take your markers and draw any design you want. The more colors, the more markers, the better. I drew some designs, but even if you just color all over the coffee filter, that will look perfect. There's absolutely no wrong way to do it. Then, I decided to get a paper towel to put underneath because I knew things were going to get messy. Take water and spread it all over your coffee filter. When you get the washable markers wet, the colors are going to spread everywhere. You can use a paintbrush like me or a spray bottle. Any way to get those colors spreading all over the place. Once it's all done, you're going to fold your coffee filter like an accordion. Back and forth, back and forth. Then finally, take your pipe cleaner and wrap it around the middle of your folded coffee filter. Then you want to take the ends of your pipe cleaner and fold them over like an antenna. Spread out the wings and there you go. Wow, that is a lot of fun. Look at my awesome butterfly. All the colors ran a little bit because we got them wet. I'm so glad I decided to get a paper towel because look at the artwork on my paper towel. How crazy. Let's fly this butterfly over to Noe. Hey Noe, check out my sweet butterfly. You love the colors? Me too. What I love most about the butterflies is everyone's is going to be different. I can't wait to see yours. Well, Noe, it is our very last January Art Factory. We've loved having you, but I guess it's time for you to go back to your sunflower garden. You're excited to see your friends and family? I'm sure you are. Well, thank you for joining us this month. And thank you for being here with us doing great art every Friday. We hope you had a great time. And this is Miss Marissa saying, see you next time.